If you're seeking for long-term future in Dubai, the best option for stability is the UAE Golden Visa. This is a 10 years renewable visa for you and your family. The main requirement is real estate investment of 2 million UAE dirhams. The rules are very flexible. You don't have to pay the full amount upfront. Off-plan properties let you secure your visa while following the developer's payment schedule. You will have 24/7 support line anywhere in the world. You will have electronic return document in case your passport is lost. You will have immediate support in emergencies and travel-related situations. You will have priority in official procedures during urgent cases. So now more than ever, you should be investing to get your golden visa.